In today's video, I will walk you through how to create polls on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Want to gather quick feedback, run a vote, or test your community's knowledge straight from your desktop? Creating native polls on Telegram web is fast, built right into the platform, and doesn't require any external bots. Let's walk through how to set one up in under 3 minutes. To begin, open the group or chat where you want to post the poll. Polls are typically created in group conversations, so make sure you're in the correct chat before continuing. Next, click the attachment icon located near the message box. This opens the menu where you can access different types of content that can be shared in the conversation. From the available options, select Poll. Telegram will then open the poll creation window. In the question field, type the question you want people to answer. Make your question clear and easy to understand so participants know exactly what they're voting on. After entering your question, add the answer choices. Type your first option, then continue adding additional options until you've included all the choices you want to offer. Telegram allows you to create multiple answer options, giving participants several choices to vote on. Once you've finished entering the question and answer choices, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes and that all of the options appear in the correct order. When you're satisfied with the poll, click the Send button. The poll will immediately appear in the chat, and participants can begin voting right away. As votes are submitted, the poll updates automatically, so everyone can see the latest results based on the poll settings. This makes it easy to gather responses without needing separate messages from each participant. And that's all there is to it. Creating polls on Telegram is a quick and convenient way to collect opinions, make group decisions, and encourage participation in your conversations. And that's how to create polls on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.